All right, so I'm looking at this and it's telling me that I've got to match two of these equations. But what I know for a fact is that it's probably going to be A and C. Now, the reason I think that it's A and C is because A has a positive 21. C has this -1. Well, -1 squared equals a positive 1. And then remember, it's going to be multiplied by 3. 3 plus 18 is actually 21. I'm just guessing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take equation C and then I'm going to actually expand it. So I'm going to say 3 times the quantity x minus 1 squared plus 18. Well, what is x minus 1 squared? Well, clearly it's x squared minus 2x plus 1. But let's multiply it out and see. So x minus 1 times x minus 1 is x squared. -1 times x is -1x. -1 times x is again -1x. And then -1 times -1 is a positive 1. If I add up the like terms, right, -1 plus -1, that's -2. In other words, y is equal to 3 times x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 18. So from there, I'm going to distribute the 3 through the parentheses. So 3 times x squared is just 3x squared. 3 times -2x is just -6x. 3 times 1 is just positive 3, and then plus 18. All this stuff is equal to y. So then in the next line, I'm going to combine like terms. 3 plus 18 is positive 21. Everything else is the same. 3x squared minus 6x equals 21. That's equation A, isn't it? And then this one up here, we started with equation C. So then if I reread the question, it says complete the following statement. A and C are equivalent. And of those, C is the form that is most identifiable for the extreme value. The extreme value occurs at the vertex. We know it's the vertex because it's vertex form. Well, what's the vertex? 1, 18. And that's basically it for that problem.